Hello YouTube, for your reviewing pleasure today, I have from Mark I Models the 1 to 7/20th scale Zeppelin LZ38/LZ40 P-Class Airship. And this is the first Attackers edition. So, during World War I, everybody remembers the Blitz on London in World War II. During World War I, however, the Germans actually launched waves of rigid airships like these against London and actually did terror bomb London during the First World War. So it is nice that Mark I Models has come out with these old airships. There are a few additional ones that they've come out with since I purchased these that I'd like to pick up. They have a couple of the British as well as the Graf Zeppelin, so looking forward to getting those in the future. In either case, you can see our two marking options here. We have the LZ38 Airship Troop Imperial German Flying Corps, Evere Air Base in Belgium, May of 1915, and the Zeppelin LZ40 Naval Airship Division, Imperial German Navy, and this one was in Hage Airship Base in Germany in the summer of 1915. So, taking a look inside of the box, we have a single bag that has all of our parts in it. So we'll go ahead and flip this over first, grab out our instruction sheet. So looking at our instructions, it's going to be pretty basic. We have to start off with a parts tree call out, just so we know what parts are where. And then it's pretty much as simple as it would seem. Two halves of the airship body going together, putting on the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. Make sure to note which one that you're using because they were different between the LZ38 and LZ40s. Same on the lower vertical stabilizers there. Putting the horizontal ones on. And again, making sure which ones you're going with. We have color callouts through here. And then our base assembly on the back. We have, what is actually nice is a four-sided color callout. So we get the two sides here at the top. And then we have the top and bottom to show the underside carriages. And then access here on top as well, which I believe was a gun platform if I remember correctly. And then our LZ40 for the Navy. So, getting into the parts themselves, just pull this all out. Have first off our decal sheet, pretty sparse, but it is nice that we do have frames, windows, and then we have the LZ38 or LZ40 for our display base. Speaking of the display base, we have the main part here with the two stands here. So make sure you leave yourself a little bit of these tabs put down into here. We have our two carriages that would ride underneath the airship. Sadly, this one does have a tiny bit of a sinkhole, so that might need to be taken care of there, it looks like. We have our upper platform there. And as parts get kicked around in boxes, they get broke. So, obviously, just take caution when assembling to make sure that you fix any of the parts that are maybe snapped or broken from transport and box wear. And then we have our two halves of the airship. So again, there is no locating tabs throughout, so there's a little bit more of an advanced model in that regard, that you will have to make sure that you line them up perfectly when gluing them together. But really pretty nice on the fabric detail. Again, in 1 to 7/20th scale, it's going to look pretty much smooth, but it does have a tiny bit of texture, which is nice. And then a couple of additional little parts here. So that is the 1 to 7/20th scale Zeppelin LZ38/LZ40 P-Class airship first attackers. Have a wonderful rest of your day.